Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, who doesn't want a true friend that is there for when you need it? Well, I do, and I have one. I have this powder cleanser from Barkeeper's Friend, and I have to say that I absolutely love this powder because it has actually saved my pans. So that has been really, really cool. Now, I don't tend to fry a lot, but every now and then I want to fry an egg. But what has happened is that after I spray some oil on my pan, I walked away, and when I come back, I actually have burnt oil on my pan. So that has been pretty sad. I mean, I don't tend to do that a lot, but when I do, that's what happened. Now, thank goodness to the Barkeeper's powder, I'm able to save my pans and have them back to that shiny look. Now, I love that this powder could be used for so many different uh, materials. So you can actually use this powder on stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and so many, many more. So that is really, really cool. So again, if you are looking for a powder cleanser to help you save your pans and pots and make them look as new again, I will definitely recommend this powder cleanser from Barkeeper's Friend. But hey, that is just my point of view.